Welcome to this year's Binibining Fortune 2025, the Grand Coronation Night!
I can achieve my dreams by believing on me, by trusting on me, and having confidence.
And I hope you enjoy tonight. Mabuhay ang Kabataang Fortune! Tonight, we are very proud to present to you that the advocacy of our Binibining Fortune 2025 is all about protecting and upholding the rights of our farmers.
Isigaw ang numero ng kandidatang sinusuportahan ninyo!
Napakahalagang usapin sa panahon ngayon na bigyan natin ng pagpapahalaga ang nagbibigay buhay at nagbibigay pagkain sa ating mga hapag. May family sa Barangay Fortune, nag-share ng pangarap dito sa Barangay Fortune. And kung tatanungin ako, hindi nasusukat ng papeles, hindi nasusukat ng dokumento ang pagiging isang kabataang Fortune. Sinusukat to ng ating inspirasyon, sinusukat to ng ating pagmamahal, sinusukat to ng ating paglilingkod ng buong husay sa ating barangay.
I believe that as we reach our goals, we should believe on ourselves. We should not care on what others will think of us.
Binibining Fortune 2025 Grand winner is Binibini number 9, Syra Moreno!
To all Fortune community, to all students, you are free to dream and do not ever care on what others will think. Thank you at mabuhay, Fortune!